ये बोल रहा है कि लद्दाख में चाइना वाले घुसे नहीं आ रहा है, घुसे आ रहा है सर, और हमारे गांव तक भी जल्दी पहुंच जाएगा अगर आप लोग ठोस कदम नहीं उठाएंगे। ऐसा मत कीजिए सर। कभी कभी हमें लग रहा है कि इंडिया गवर्नमेंट को लद्दाख की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। लद्दाख में कुछ भी उगता तो है नहीं, इसे जाने दो, मत जाने दीजिए सर। यहां उगता है, बहुत कुछ उगता है सर। ये देखिए लंबे लंबे पेड़ जिसे हम सफेदा कहते हैं, और शोलो भी उगते हैं सर ये पहाड़ों में। लद्दाख को अपने हाथ से मत जाने दीजिए। वी लव इंडिया, वी आर इंडियन। इससे बेहतर तो हमें दीजिए, बंदूक दीजिए, 2 नाली वाला भी चलेगा सर। 2 को मारेंगे, खुद मार जाएंगे, लेकिन चाइनीज को अपने गांव में नहीं देखेंगे सर। ऐसा मत कीजिए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
That we have got of the new set, that new set of images, as I mentioned, of the 25th and the 26th of June. This image of the 25th of June refers to that very controversial Chinese position on the embankment of the Galwan River. There have been reports, several, that this is in fact in Indian territory. But
Well, first I would like to send my deepest condolences to those who laid down their lives, our Indian Army, who were murdered along the line of actual control, and my condolences to their families. And yes, it is very unfortunate right now what is happening at the line of actual control. Nobody wants such things to happen, but unfortunately that has happened, and we lost some brave soldiers along that line. And yes, obviously this thing has brought a little bit of insecurity among the people of Ladakh, a sense of anxiety, and to be honest, it is obvious that we live very close to the border. And yes, the government of India is doing a great job right now. The Indian Army posted out there at LSE, they are doing a great job right now, stopping all those Chinese intruders who try to push inside the line of actual control and try to gain more land inside Indian territory. The Indian government is obviously taking some stern actions, and we are very much proud of our Indian soldiers out there who is still on the line protecting our territory. And yes, to be honest, whenever there was a warlike situation, it was like when you were, whether it be China war or Kargil war, yes, the Indian Army always protected the people of Indian citizens, and especially the people of Ladakh who were on the front line with the Indian Army. So there is always a trust among the Indian Army. because we know that they are on the front line fighting just to protect us. So it's a great thing, and I really appreciate every Indian soldier who is right now fighting for the Indian nation.
你头为什么又过来了？还有你的，为什么？很重吗？我今天就不信了，这200个举不完。200个举不完。哎呦我的妈！准备，一，2。